John from A to Z Cycles. I want to clear up some confusion about our voicemail and the door being locked at the shop. So some of you have heard our voicemail that states that we work on 2010 and newer Harley Davidson. That is true. We have moved to where any new customer needs to be 2010 and newer Harley Davidsons. Right now we have 4 different states moving to Delaware. We can't keep up with everybody, and we want to be loyal to our original customers. So if you're an original customer, a loyal customer, we will still work on your 2003 and newer Harley Davidson. But with that being said, if you're referring us to a coworker, a guy you met at the gas station, your cousin, your uncle, some family member, a guy you ride with, then we want you to mark it for us and explain that we are working on 2010 and newer for any new customer. Loyal customers, we're still going to be there for you. It's hard to find parts for earlier than 2010 right now, and it's not going to get any better. It's harder to get cables, it's harder to get brake lines, it's harder to get odd-sized tires. It's a little difficult, and it's not going to come back. So I always said, I'm not going to buy an M8. I own an M8. For a lot of you that don't follow it as much as I do, the M8 motor has been out for 5 years. There's been a lot of changes since my 03 Road Glide to my 2021 Road Glide. I'm not sitting here today saying everybody has to buy a new motorcycle. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that I went to the other side, and in 17 this motor came out, and I like it. So I embraced it. I'm going to do cams on this bike, going to do handlebars, going to do everything that I did to that bike. Price, they're going to keep that bike. The world is not the same as it was, but we are still going to be here for you if you've been a loyal customer, and for new customers. We're going to be here for you, but it's going to be 2010 and newer Harley Davidson. So don't stop calling, don't stop emailing us, don't stop sending us a message through Facebook. Our doors are locked, but we found through the pandemic that with the doors being locked, that we can give a one-on-one consultation or a one-on-one 20-point inspection Monday through Friday. For the most part, we do 10 and 2 as our appointment times. It helps us to be accurate with our appraisal, with our estimate, what we need to do for you, and search out your parts. Don't give up on us. We're not giving up on you.